Hey guys, Brian and Aaron here from 5 to Go. I think I might have just found my new favorite toy hauler.
It's nice.
It's really cool, has some really cool stuff in it, so let's go in and check it out. It is a Forest River Riverstone Legacy 4513.
DST.
Right? DST. First of all,
We got it.
First of all, I like the paint scheme. It's this like crazy, like bright orange. Yeah, dark gray. I mean, I'm kind of getting away from dark stuff, but I love just the shock of the orange.
Yeah.
But let's take a look at the storage outside real quick, and then we'll go inside and check out some really cool stuff. All right, so first up, there's a big pass-through right here. Goes all the way through.
Ooh.
And it looks like there's some access panels here for all your critical stuff. And then there's the normal, fifth wheel storage bay up here. This one has the onboard generator already. So very standard stuff on the outside. You can see the color better without my face in the way. Really nice, really big. I'm gonna check the numbers on this in a minute. Here's the price. But going in, one of my main complaints, before I go any farther, because this is pretty standard here, one of my main complaints about toy haulers is the living room.
Yep.
It's like the toy haulers, it's all about the garage, it's all about that, but you need living space, right? So, I really like this living room. There is seating here, there's seating over there. The kitchen is nice and kind of out of the way over here, but still extremely usable.
Yeah.
There is a dishwasher, which pretty much is a requirement of mine now.
Love that.
That's the same one that we've got in our rig. Works really, really well. Full convection oven, which I really like. We have one very similar.
Samsung.
Yeah, so there's Samsung here, and then it is a residential Samsung fridge across the way. Theater seating across from that's a good sized TV. And there's a sound bar and a fireplace and a hidden pantry.
Woohoo!
Yeah, I like it.
We like seeing these.
Lots of storage. I'd be a little challenged in keeping things in place because there's not any
We could figure out
separation or
something
anything.
to do.
Is that a subwoofer?
Yes, but this is a good
Okay.
place to this is Instant Pot and air fryer.
Big stuff,
and
yeah.
Big stuff can go here for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah,
Because
absolutely.
there's space for things.
Yeah, there's not a lot of storage actually in the kitchen other than that.
Yep.
You would be opening that pretty frequently. Now, the thing that really caught my eye is that wall right there.
It's so pretty and
It
frosted.
is very pretty and frosted. So this is a toy hauler. That is a garage back there. It's a very standard garage back there. But this is very cool. Erin has her finger on a button. Go ahead and hit the button, honey. Check
Looky.
this out. It is
I love
super
this.
cool. So this lowers down and becomes a pass-through
To a bar.
into the garage where there's a bar and stools.
You can just serve from here.
That is super,
I love
super
it.
cool. There
This
is a
is
TV.
great.
There's TV up here. There's, audio stuff out here. So it's a very standard garage. I don't know why that word jumped out of my brain. Very standard garage. Has the, the lifting beds and the bed that drops down there and the couches. You've all seen all of this before. It's got the patio and the sliding doors. So nothing very interesting back here. But I love that.
This is great.
That is super cool. It opens it up. It makes the garage part of the living
space. Yeah.
Very, very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Now, moving forward, I actually haven't really...
We haven't gone in the front yet.
Yeah, I mean, I poked my head in there. I was like, oh, it's the front of a fifth wheel. So, oh, hold on. There's a
What?
drawer of some sort in the stairs.
Oh, I couldn't see it.
What is that?
Just a drawer.
Just a drawer.
Just
Okay.
a drawer.
All right, I'm assuming there are controls in here.
There are controls.
Yep.
There's like a
Yeah. Just
electronic
touchscreen control
one, yep.
panel. They've got Truma for the water
hot
heat.
water.
Solar up top. Now you can already see the washer and dryer up in there. Now there's a bathroom here, but the door opens towards me, so we'll skip that. Let's open this up with some more light in here.
Yay. And they do have the which most people are doing now is the day and night shades,
Yeah.
which are nice.
Yep.
Very
So
fun.
moving up into the bedroom. It's a very nice, well laid out, nice and bright
Yes.
bedroom. Now there
And-
is an issue for me specifically. There's really nowhere for a CPAP. There's not really a shelf. This little thing is not big enough. But there are outlets, so I could come up with
You
something.
could come up with something, and it might be that it goes this way because there is some space over here,
True.
but it's kind of long, so we'll see.
So up front, like, is pretty normal. Big sliding doors. Now, the washer and dryer is integrated into the closet. There is not like a separate cabinet over on the side there.
It's gonna do this way.
Yep. It's not a lot of closet space, honestly. Like, it's not laid out very well.
Well, I mean, there's lots of space to hang things. This would work for us.
Yeah. Oh, there is a bar. There's a bar
yeah.
up top.
I also like that this, you know, there's always going to be mirrors everywhere. But I like that this is like a smoky mirror.
Yeah,
So it's
I mean,
not
I
like,
can-
blah!
I can see myself, but
Yeah.
it's very obviously not like a big shiny mirror.
Right.
Okay.
This is better than having just a normal mirror
Yeah.
where everything is then bright and
Yeah, I bet you when the room is darker, that just kind of
fades
fades away. Yeah, that's a good
good
point.
idea.
I like that. A pretty good sized TV. Like they fit a bigger sized TV in here, which is nice because a lot of people, you know, they'll have the kids in the back and then they'll be up here watching TV in the evening.
Yep.
And then we've got storage down here. I'm gonna guess. Oh, it's actually not as shallow as I thought. Yeah, that's a good amount. And then a little window in here. There are side windows on the bed over here. What?
The drawers are finished.
Oh, they are? It's not raw wood on the
It's
top
not
edge?
raw wood on the top
Oh,
edge.
very nice.
I mean,
Very
it's
nice.
not like super fancy, but that added touch where you're not
Yep.
going to scrape your fingers across the raw
Yep.
wood. It's a good touch.
Yep. Now, this is the second time that I've seen this. It's like
What's
a little
that?
heater unit
Oh.
in the wall.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay.
I also like that the laundry's right here, and that you can just wait. This is the dryer.
Yep.
You can just go like this.
Oh, and then
Immediately goes on the bed.
and then leave all
then
of
it
them
just
on the
stays
bed. Yeah. Until it's bedtime, and then you lift that load up and you put it somewhere else.
Yeah.
Probably
Probably
right there. Then you go to bed. You wake up in the morning. You pull your clothes out of there, and then you throw those back on the bed. And then the next night, you take the pile on the bed. You put it back.
It slowly gets smaller.
It can't just be us.
Do you guys do this too?
So I like this.
I like this
So
big.
the bedroom's fine. It's normal, but I really like this living room because that is my biggest complaint with fifth wheels or with toy haulers is the living rooms. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, we skipped the bathroom.
We skipped the bathroom.
Sorry,
Come back up.
I like the living room.
I
Come
know
on.
you do.
All right,
I know
half
you do.
bath or full bath, only bath.
Only bath.
Yeah, nice. Very nice. It's a full-size elongated toilet, so big points for that. Storage here, there's like linen storage, right? It's just going to go all the way back to the depth of the shower here. It's got the built-in seat. Well, they don't have the rainfall shower
like the other
thing.
one did.
We got a vanity.
Hello,
Well,
Brian.
Yeah, vanity here.
Yep.
Oh, light switches.
There we go.
That's handy.
I do like the underlight where you can leave that on
Yeah.
as like a night light.
So, nope. That
Yeah,
way.
you can just leave this on and it's not.
Yeah, so at nighttime,
bright.
yeah, that's the only light. I like that a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Turn that back on. Yeah, so like I said, big toilet. Yeah, so normal bathroom.
Yeah,
That's
but
kind
it's
of
the
why
only
I walked
bathroom.
right past it. Yeah, only bathroom.
Yeah.
Could be an issue, but it's a toy hauler. You know what you're getting.
Yep.
So this one, yeah, there are some toy haulers where they have toilets out in the garage, but
Yep.
not this one. Okay, so one final look at this living room that I love. I love it so much. This is my new favorite toy hauler. So I like it.
You know what I just saw though?
Oh, what's that?
There's actually space to like put family pictures up on the wall.
There are actual walls. Oh, there's a huge
There's
wall.
a huge wall.
Yeah, that's
We've never
or a
been
map.
somewhere that we could put a whole thing there.
We could put a big map up there like we had in the Bounder.
Or we could put pictures of the children.
We could put pictures of the children around a
Yeah,
map that we
you're
have in the
right,
Bounder.
You're right.
Yeah, I love it. Super
Yep,
cool.
this is
And this
good.
is the new top of my list for toy haulers.
There you go.